Two security guards found shot to death at China engineering company. A mother is missing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two security guards were found dead with what appears to be gunshot wounds at the premises of the China engineering company CHEC in the 6 Mile area of St. Andrew on Monday morning. Another security guard is also missing. The deceased have not yet been identified. However, there are videos surfacing online and images of an individual who people have stated to be one of the security guards. Police report that explosions were heard in the vicinity of the engineering company sometime after 11 p.m. on Sunday. A search was conducted of the area and the two security officers were found with what appears to be gunshot wounds. One of them was found in the trunk of a car, while another was found in bushes on the compound. A third security officer is also missing from the location. His vest and a radio were also found on the premises. Deputy Superintendent of Police Mr. Minter told reporters that detectives are combing the area in an effort to find the other missing guard.
We're here on the premises of China Harbour Engineering Company, where sometime after 11 last night, gunshots were heard. A search was conducted of the area. We have so far confirmed that two security officers were shot and killed at this location. One of the officers was placed in the trunk of a motor car. The other one, the body was left in some bushes. There's a third security officer who is missing, and we are still on the scene with the detectives, and we're searching the area trying to identify whether or not that person is still here. We have found his radio and vest, but as you can appreciate in this area with the plantation heights and the bushes behind, so we're still combing the area to see if we can identify if that person is still there or the body. We're hopeful that we will find him alive.
During the publication of this report, Links 007 TV News has been reliably informed that the third missing security guard has actually been found. The police is ruling him as a suspect at this time. We'll have more details to come on that in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.